Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you the demo of this application panel end plate. This application can be used to connect a steel beam and a single panel or double panels. Let me just walk you through how this application works. Select the component and pick the beam and pick the panel, press the middle mouse. Next I'm going to connect a beam with these two panels. Select the beam and pick these two panels and press the middle mouse. And now you can see the gap between the panels. Let's see how it works here. So there it is. These ferrules are already added as sub-assembly to the respective panels, and it will also get the position near side or far side based on the cast unit form face. Let me select the ferrule, right click, user defined attributes. Now you can see here, comment, product code and product description, and the position is near side and ferrule. Let me close this. I'm going to select the panel as assembly, right click and hide. Now you don't see the ferrules here. That means the ferrules are already added as sub-assembly to the hidden panel. Let me redraw the view. And if I just double click and open the component properties, you have options to create end plate or with the shear plate. This actually looks like a T plate here. For example, let me take this option and modify. And if you want to place the end plate on the face of the panel, open the drop-down list and select this option. Now you can see. You can also add washer. It can be loose plate or it can be welded. Let me change this option to shear plate, and you have options to change the side, near side or far side. Let me just enter the gap between the plate and beam. And if I choose this option, I can have minimum clearance. And then if I go to the end plate bolt, so you can see options to control the bolt, and this is for the shear plate. And next for the ferrules. So when I open the drop-down list, you can see generic, Ancon, read and nexus. And another advantage of using this application, you can also control the prefix. And finally, if I go to the weld, you can see the options here. So with this application, it will be easy to create connection between steel beam and panels. If you have any question, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.